Neo Kids really is about trying to care for kids as close to home as possible and providing quality care and up-to-date care and care that would be considered world-class anywhere else to the children of Northeastern Ontario.
And there's a significant burden to our families that have to travel. So if a child has, let's say, complex medical needs and they have the need to see specialized services at Sick Kids, for example, endocrinology and neurosurgery. So if we had the ability of seeing those kids locally with the support, which we predominantly do now because we have a good working relationship with a lot of our colleague partners. But if we can negate the need, it decreases the burden to the family.
They noticed there was some abnormalities on my scan and they sent me to Mount Sinai right away because that's their specialty is high-risk pregnancies. Go down there, it's always the three of us, so there's no one else down there with us. You don't have grandparents and friends and sisters and everybody else. It's terribly inconvenient. And the weather. I mean, we live up north. And that highway going through the snow belt is treacherous, and we've had to travel it several times in terrible weather.
I've had 4 surgeries, some open heart. I'm feeling good. I don't like having travel because I miss my pets, my friends, and sometimes my family members. Because I had a lot of traveling, I had to miss all the school, had to miss all last year.
So about Dr. Murray, he was quite smart at telling me about my diagnosis and stuff.
Your diagnosis of autism?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's been years I had autism.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I work in the field of autism also, and so I have to say that Dr. Murray is kind of the autism guru, so it's nice that I was able to have him, to snag him as my pediatrician, and so it's really nice because he is well-versed in the services within the community, and so he's really good at, being able to link us with the services that we need.
We know Neo Kids, Jared got sick a couple months back and we came in here to get taken care of. So Jared was atypical Kawasaki. So through the whole procedure, they had a team of doctors on him from Neo Kids. It was in contact with Sick Kids. It took 5 days to get him diagnosed.
As much as the experience was awful, the people were amazing.
They were actually the ones that made him laugh. She made him laugh every morning. Just even if it was a crack of a smile, at least he smiled that day.
For too long, I think children up this way have been, unfortunately subjected to healthcare that is at times, I feel, second class. Southern Ontario kids and kids from other parts of the province are exposed to tertiary level care, pediatrics on a regular basis. There's hospitals that dot the landscape all over southern, eastern, southwestern, and southern Ontario. I think, the rally cry is really about trying to do the right thing for kids in Northeastern Ontario, trying to provide the type of world-class healthcare that other places and children should receive, deservedly so, here in Northeastern Ontario.
Thanks, New Kids, for helping me and the community and helping me stay closer to home.
They should really have Neo Kids a lot more so they don't have to travel or miss their families or anything.